Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video, we're going to be talking all about borders. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So, what is a border? Well, a border is basically, a box or a shape, mostly a rectangle that surrounds something, and in this case, text. So, an example of a border would be like, this, and then over here like this, and yeah, you just get it. It sort of like just surrounds the whole thing. So this would continue over here on this side and down here. So let's talk about how to actually make a border. Well, in order to make a border, it's actually pretty easy. All you do is border dash style colon, and then here you see you have all of these styles. So this is a dashed border, so it has dashes. This one has dotted. This has two borders and just multiple styles. There's borders like, no border, a hidden border, a solid border like the regular border. So, let's just stick with that and just say solid, and then we can do the semicolon over there to close it off. But let's say, you know, you want to be a little weird and you want to do something like this. You can, let's say you want the top and the bottom to be solid and you want the left and the right sides to be dashed. You can do something like this. Border dash top dash style solid. And then over here, Control C. And over here, I'll have to do this bottom. And then for the sides, I can do something like left. So for left, let's say we want it to be dotted. Copy this, and over here can make the right side dotted as well. So it's not like you're just limited to a uniform style of border. You can mix and match. So now let's go into a border width. So sometimes if you have something that's really worth highlighting, you can do border dash width, and then you see over here it's the same thing, like the top, left, right, bottom. So you can customize the width for each side, but for this one we'll just go with the same uniform width. And over here you see there's all these values you can use. And so you can use these values. You can also use things like large or maybe medium. And then there's also the small. So, but, you know, most people, they use pixels, but it just depends the way your web page is formatted. So, we can do something like, let's make this border 3 pixels. So that will be the border width. And, just restate the border width and just how thick the border is. So naturally, with all of this stuff, you can also have the border color. So, over here it's just all the colors that you know. So there's all these colors over here with super fancy names, that no one has ever heard of. There's also the RGB values. And I talked about all the ways you can write colors in one of my previous videos, so go check that one out. But, you can set the border color. So let's go choose something like, I don't know, maroon. So it doesn't matter really, just the color of the border and how you choose to have it, like what color matches with your background, your textual elements and all that. So yeah, there's that. And finally, there isn't just, that rectangular border that I was talking about. You can also make the edges curved And if you apply a curvature value that's large enough, you can make it to the point where it looks like a circle, or something like that. So we have this, and the way to make it curved and all that is border dash radius, and then you press the colon and you just give it a value. So let's give this one 4 pixels. We want it to be decently curved. And by the way, this isn't the sides, this is the corners where two sides meet. So this curves that. But if you add a value, if you have a radius value that's large enough, you could end up getting a shape that looks like an oval or circle. So yeah, just a lot of possibilities. And again, this is just for, style, what fits best with your webpage. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.